Hello, I'm Lokmar Pandey, and this is my fifth day of recording this uh, English speaking practice video. This video is being recorded just for English speaking practice. Uh, Today I was thinking that I won't make video, and I had very strong thought of this. Then again I decided that if I will leave this today, it will be in habit, and I don't want a bad habit of let the things go. I mean, we always have this type of habit when we say that let it go, we will do it tomorrow, and that's the thing which I do not want it today. And one more thing which I will make this I will do this by video, that I will make sure that it is being continued. If I would had let it go, I mean if I would had not made a video today, then it means that I had to restart from the next day, and I will never be able to continue. So I will, and the thing, if the time will go past, I mean if the time will go, it will not come again. That's the things I made sure that I will make it. Another thing is that what will I talk? This is the biggest problem from yesterday. I had no clue that what will I talk, and like I have said, my aim is to speak at least 10 minutes, and last day I tried 4 to 5 times to make a single video. I made 3 video for 6 minutes on different topics, but I couldn't make 10 minutes. Then I decided that I will talk about something which I have written from long time. So I talked that day, and I had nothing to speak today, so today is more difficult for me. But still I said that if I will talk random things, and I will make it continue, because it is not just a thing that what should I talk, it is also that I continue. Once I will start quitting, then it will be in habit, and I will never be able to complete my 300 consecutive day target. That's why I said that I will record it no matter what. So what should I talk today? Let's talk about Bihar elections. Bihar election has been completed. Election was held in 2 phases. First was Bihar election has been completed, and the election was held in 2 phases. First was, I guess, 6th on November, and second was at 11th. Tomorrow will be counting, and I'm guessing that BJP and NDA will win. It is my guess. I'm not very much sure of it. Lots of exit poll are saying the same things. This is also the reason that why I'm believing, and let's see what happen. I guess BJP may be the highest seat winner, and second highest will be RJD, then JDU, and after that I don't know which party will come, maybe Congress or something like that. Prashant Kishore may not win much seat, maybe 2 or 3 seats, mostly. And even if he will do this, and then it will be a great achievement for him. In the terms of voting, I guess that he can win 5 to 6%. Prashant Kishore is fighting election just to reduce voting of RJD and BJP, and maybe he's trying to help JDU. This is my personal opinion, and I guess that he will be succeed. He can reduce some votes against BJP and JDU, RJD, sorry. So we will wait for tomorrow result and see what does that happen. The things which I can talk about is tomorrow is a visit of Qatar Energy client in my company. They will visit the area. They will see how do we make products, what is our capability, how do we achieve this, what is our strength, how do we maintain HSC policy, HSC, and how do we manage quality and safety. And I guess that they will see what really good in with us. It is very difficult today, I don't know why, but it's okay. And what can I more talk about? I can talk about cricket. Tomorrow India versus South Africa series will start. It will be a good match. It will happen in India. I guess India will win all the matches, but it will be difficult because I don't see much batters, test batters in Indian cricket team, and I'm not happy with Gill performance, and I don't know why Gautam Gambhir made him captain. It is really very bad, but it happens in cricket. Whenever whoever take control in boards, they try to make their own team, so that if a team win, they can take the credits that they have created a good team and the team won. So it's almost 8 minutes of making video, and I need just 2 more minutes to talk. And what can I talk about more? Even if I will just keep talking, believe me, even to just 2 minutes will be very harder. So I must find out a topic. And what can I talk? I have talked politics, elections. I have talked about, yes, I can talk about environment. My point of view in environment, whenever I heard EQI of Delhi or EQI of anywhere of India, it very worried me. In my opinion, EQI should be below 50 always, but we are cutting trees, making industry, building roads, and all the things which is led to destroying our environment. And leaders are also not very interested in making our environment good. They are making policy, but they are not doing anything on the ground. When in the old days, I used to remember that people used to plant tree because they always think that that tree gonna need them for cooking. They used dry wood in cooking, but nowadays, since the gas cylinder has come, it has played significant role. People think that we harmed less environment just by cylinder, but it is quietly opposite. If they are not using wood, it means they are not planting tree. So it has say naturally they have just destroyed uh, the environment. You know, I used to see in the old days that tree uh, alongside the roads, but nowadays I do not see much trees. Lots of people have got. Thank you. 10-minute video is made, and that was my aim. But I will talk about what were thinking my mind in environment. Like whenever highway government plan to make a highway, I just urge them to buy some more land and plant some trees alongside the road of the both side. If you are making 6 lane 8 lane highway, and if you can invest some amount of money, then you can also invest few more money just to plant tree. And it can happen with the same the contractor. They will take responsibility. They just need to put in the quotation. I mean, government need to put into requirement, and the contractor will do it. They will charge the money, and the government will provide the land. You know, the amount of highway Nitin Gadkari has made, it's very significant. I mean, large number. But imagine that if he had planted the same amount of tree alongside the road, our nature would have been beautiful. Our environment had could been better than this, because if he had built the road, lots of tree would have been had been cut, and lots of plant which could have provide some uh, uh, oxygen had been cut. Uh, that's why I think that if he had planted some tree alongside the road, road would look more beautiful, and also it would have provided give some oxygens to us. That's what government need to do. I have also a plan for footpath. I mean, we see city in the city there is a good footpath. So what I notice in my company, that there is a cutting grass cutting machine. If you put grass on the ground, and if you cut on the time, it will look more beautiful, and it also provides some oxygen and greenery, and it will help in nature. Like we say, something is better than nothing. I know it will not make more impact, but it will be at least something. I mean, if there is a thing that we start providing oxygen, but there will be something which absorbing some carbon dioxide. And more one thing I noticed, that grass absorb dust as well. I mean, if there is a dust in the environment and is go little I mean with moisture, uh, then it will go to the roots of grass, and it will lay down there and won't come back. So if we'll put grass and cut it on weekly, it will look more beautiful, it will be greenery, and it will also help for dust to settle down on their roots. So city look more beautiful. This is what my point of view. If government find any where, I mean, the land is not land is free, not building, not roads, then they can plant some trees which spread after I mean tall tree, which is spread on the sky, not just below the ground. So uh, government can use this. Thank you. I know no one is watching, but still thank you.